All right, today I just want to take a quick look at making a blank document and just testing some brushes so we can get a good brush for drawing. So I'm just going to go down here and open up Photoshop. Okay. And now what I want to do is I'm going to make a new document because I just want a blank page is all I really need. And I like to I'm going to go into print right here, although you may see some different things. What I'm really looking for is this right here, standard size letter, 8.5 by 11, in this case, inches instead of pixels. All the rest of this stuff is normal. And I'm going to hit create. And now here I have just kind of a plain old piece of paper to work on. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go straight here to my brush tool. Okay. And up here is where I can change my different brushes. And I have a lot of different brushes possibly selectable here. I actually want to go down here, and what we're going to look for is a folder called Dry Media Brushes. We've used this before. Inside Dry Media Brushes, I'm going to look for pencils. Now here we have a number 2 pencil, which is useful, but if we go down a little further, here we have wax pencil, hard pencil, charcoal pencil, Conte, graphite. So I want to experiment with all of these different pencils. I'm going to start with the wax pencil, and I just want to make it black. I'm going to make sure that I've got my buttons pushed here and here. Okay, I want to make sure these are on. I'm going to put my opacity 100%. And all I really want to do is I'm going to try writing lightly, and then I'm going to press darkly. This is, and then I want to name the pencil. So this was the wax pencil. So I'm going to title this Wax, I'm not writing very well, pencil. I'm going to say, I don't know what I did with my color. Oh, I'm on wrong color. It didn't come out very black. It's a little more black. That's a little better. Wax pencil. Now I'm going to try my next pencil. Let's try the 4H hard pencil. It's a very small pencil. And I'm going to do really light lines, which you can barely even see. And then some slightly darker lines. And now some really pressing hard, heavy lines. A little scribble there. And this is a 4H hard pencil. So I'm going to write that. 4H hard pencil. Now I know what that looks like. I'm going to do this with all of the pencils. I'm going to go now and try the charcoal pencil. This is my old favorite. I'm going to go back here and I can do some nice, lighter lines. I'm just barely touching the draw pad. Darker lines, you see, come out much darker. I keep hitting the button on my pencil. This is the charcoal pencil. And now I can see what these different pencils look like if I want to use them in a drawing. Let's do one last one, the Conte pencil. Nice light lines with the Conte pencil, and then darker, heavier lines with the Conte pencil. I can use this document as reference if I wanted to save it, so that whenever I do a drawing in the future, I can have a pretty good idea of what these different pencils look like. I would go ahead and do all of them. Let's do the graphite pencil too. I'm almost done. So nice and light. I like this graphite pencil a lot. A little darker. Okay, and this is the graphite pencil. And there. Now you have all these different pencils that are part of the dry media brushes. You can save this document and use it and take a look at what any of these pencils, how they're going to look. And then when you do some of the drawings for class, you want to do something lighter, maybe you use a graphite pencil. You want to do something a little heavier, darker, you switch back to charcoal. Gives you some different ideas of different pencils that you might want to use for different projects.